Well, I totally messed up. I had this brilliant plan to stuff my video with loads of those annoying ads that pop up in the middle, thinking that I hit the jackpot. Guess what? The video did alright, but the money I made was about as exciting as watching paint dry. Definitely not the $1,000 I had in mind. Turns out YouTube isn't exactly a money printing machine. And this taught me one lesson. It is not safe to put all my eggs into one basket, in this case YouTube. Because anything can happen. YouTube might hate me one day and stop giving my channel impressions, which leads to a big drop in views. Or they decide to delete my channel for reasons they give that I deem is unreasonable. At the end of the day, it feels like we're all just pawns in YouTube's chess game, and they are the grandmaster deciding our fate. I don't want to hand them that kind of power, especially when it comes to my own hard-earned money. So what's the game plan? I'm diversifying. I'm not putting all my revenue eggs into one basket. I started looking at what other smart content creators are doing, how they are building their empire, and how they are taking control of their creatives. And guess what? I've got 6 strategies that I think any YouTuber, whether you're a big shot or just starting out, can put into action today. So stick around, because it's time to take back our reins and stop letting YouTube hold all the cards. First one on my list is Amazon Influencer Program. Now let's talk about Desiree, our YouTube buddy who casually dropped the bombshell that she's pulling in $180,000 a year with a modest 35,000 subscribers. Impressive, right? Well, part of her secret sauce is the Amazon Influencer Program, where she raked in about $45,000 from it in just 2022 alone. Now, for a regular Joe like me who's also part of the Amazon Influencer Program, thanks to my YouTube channel, this sounds like a potential gold rush waiting to happen. So I dug a little deeper to find her secret recipe, and it turns out it's simpler than I thought. All you need to do is create some product review videos. That's it. But here's the Amazon twist. They have their own magic formula for calculating commissions. Take a look at some of these items that magically paid me commissions. I didn't even review these things. It seems that if someone watches my product review video, then goes on an Amazon shopping spree and buys something else, I get a cut of that action too. So in theory, the more products I review, the more I can pocket. I did a little snooping on Desiree's Amazon page and found out she's uploaded 450 product review videos. It might sound like a huge effort, but hey, where there's a will, there's a way. I'm already planning mine out, and I think I can get there. If you're curious to see if I can pull this off, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to track my journey. And while you're at it, why not give this video a thumbs up? It's free, just like my advice. Next up, we've got Buy Me a Coffee. Now, I have heard about this before, but I finally decided to take this for a test drive. And let me tell you, it is as straightforward as the name suggests. People essentially buy you a cup of coffee because they appreciate what you're serving up. The best part? It is completely free. I created my own page without spending a cent, and my viewers can choose to treat me to 1 cup, 3 cups, 5 cups of coffee, or any amount they fancy, just in case, they want to witness me go hyper mode on caffeine. All I had to do was slap the link in my video descriptions, and you might even find it pinned in a couple of my comments. It's simple, it's effective, and it doesn't break a sweat. Now, Buy Me a Coffee does offer a lot more though. They've got memberships, which is pretty self-explanatory. They've got shops, and that's where things get interesting. I've got my eye on Book a Zoom, which could be like having one-on-one consultations, and that could be right up my alley. Then there's digital products, something I've always wanted to get into. I always wanted to create guides and strategies that doesn't involve creating videos. Sure, YouTube might have something similar, except for the Zoom calls and digital products, but again, I'm not putting all my eggs in the YouTube basket. So check out the link in my description and the pinned comment. And if you fancy buying me a coffee for a job well done so far, I thank you in advance. Who knows, maybe you can bribe me with a coffee and I'll put you in my priority list when reviewing YouTube channels. Just saying. Alright, next, let's talk about online courses. These are like the dark horses of the content creation world. It takes time and patience to build them up, but once they are ready, they can really take off. I haven't been very successful with this venture yet, mainly because I'm not the best at promoting. I'm not a salesman, I'm not a promoter, I'm just an average Joe. However, in the past few months, my YouTube channel's views have been on the rise, and this has led to more sales for my Udemy course. Surprisingly, viewers have told me they'd be interested if I offered personal channel reviews. So having a course has opened up new opportunities that I hadn't considered, like the potential for one-on-one consultations. My course is currently on Udemy, which might not be the best platform. I've heard that for serious online course creators, platforms like Kajabi are the way to go. I did look into Kajabi, but the monthly fee is a bit steep for me right now. Additionally, it seems like a complex system that requires a deep understanding of sales funnels and business flow to be successful. Roberto Blake is a satisfied customer of Kajabi, and he partially credits it for his full-time YouTube success. However, this is still uncharted territory for me, so I'll stick with Udemy for now and focus on building up my student base before considering a move to the next level. Okay, next is newsletter. Here's how I look at it. Each person signing up for my newsletter is like having a potential connection in my network. I'm not here to bombard them with sales pitches. It's about establishing value in every sign up. Having this direct line of communication through email is handy, especially in case of any hiccups with my YouTube channel. It also opens up the door for potential collaborations and experiments. Reaching out to an audience that genuinely cares about what I have to say is no small feat. So to me, the newsletter serves as a unique income stream, although not the traditional one you might think of. I use ConvertKit for my newsletter because they offer a free landing page creation tool. I'm all about keeping things simple, and a straightforward landing page wins me over any day. Now, ConvertKit does offer ways to make money through tips and selling digital products via email, but I haven't fully explored that avenue yet. For now, I'm more focused on the connections it provides. The only catch with ConvertKit is that it's free for the first 1,000 subscribers, and beyond that, they start charging. And it gets very expensive as you gain more subscribers. But it'll be some time before I hit that milestone. So for the time being, I'll stick with it and keep my eyes open for other solutions out there. Next up, affiliate marketing. I haven't talked much about this before because I don't want to come off as too salesy. But the truth is, affiliate marketing is a handy way to bring in some extra income to support my YouTube channel. I've come to realize that relying solely on YouTube ad revenue isn't the most secure path. So affiliate marketing is becoming more important. I'm mainly interested in promoting software and services that I personally use and find valuable. For instance, that drawing bot you have seen me use. It's a game changer and lots of viewers have asked me about it. However, I don't earn a single cent for referring you to this beautiful software. The thing is, not everything I use offer affiliate programs. So I'm starting to explore options that align with my content and provide that extra income. Now, just to be clear, I'll only promote products and services that I actually use myself. I'm not here to sell you something I wouldn't use. If you find any of the tools I recommend useful, you can consider signing up through my affiliate link in the description. It won't cost you extra, but it does help me keep the content train running and the lights on around here. Okay, now let's talk about sponsorships. I've been testing the waters with sponsorships for a while now, but to be honest, most of them have been a bit of a wild goose chase. It's like playing find the needle in the haystack. Some are scams and others are just really good at disguising themselves. As my YouTube channel continues to grow though, more recognizable sponsors have started knocking on my door, hinting at potential collaborations and sponsorship opportunities. You see, in the past, I used to give the thanks but no thanks treatment to these offers. But now I'm starting to see sponsorships as a potential income source that any YouTuber should consider. What really matters here is that any sponsors who approach me should align with the values and direction of my YouTube channel. For instance, if a crypto trading platform comes knocking, it doesn't matter how much they are offering. If it's not a match with the direction of my YouTube channel, it's a hard pass. Unless they are thinking of dropping $100,000 per video, then yeah, we can talk. I've heard that sponsorships can be a gold mine for many YouTubers, so I'm starting to dig a little deeper into this realm. It's the main income source for plenty of creators, so maybe, just maybe, it's time for me to join the club and give it a shot. Alright, that's the lowdown on some of the potential income streams that I'm exploring for my YouTube channel. Remember, the YouTube landscape is always evolving, and diversifying these income streams just make good sense in this digital age. If you want to follow my journey as I dive deeper into these opportunities and see how they pan out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop on all the exciting adventures coming up on my channel.